Hi, art scholars, it's Miss Alfaro. Well, this week we're going to be focusing on gesture drawings. Gesture drawings are a way to draw the figure really fast.
As an art scholar, we want to show the expression within the gesture by the posture and the stance. Now, I'll show you step-by-step instructions for your first gesture. The first step is to almost create like a stick figure. You're going to use wispy lines, real light lines. Use very, very light pressure when applying your pencil marks. In the second step, we're going to make those lines turn into shapes. The shapes are going to form the parts of the body. Now you can feel free to emphasize with darker lines. In step 4, what you're going to do is erase the lines that are not needed. In step 5, you're going to use line variety if you want to draw clothing.
Okay, virtual art scholars, well, your assignment for this week is to create 3 different gestures using the step-by-step method Miss Alfaro just showed you.
In Google Classroom, I'll share links and resources and great step-by-steps by other YouTube art teachers. Hope you all have a beautiful week, and remember to always think outside the box.